In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard in Zoom. The Zoom Whiteboard is a built-in digital canvas that lets you sketch ideas, map out plans, and collaborate visually during your meetings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to launch a brand new board, and how to edit, present, and share it with others so everyone stays on the same page. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Once the app is open, head into a meeting. You can start one by yourself to practice or begin a scheduled meeting with your team. When the meeting window loads, look along the bottom toolbar for the green share button. This is your main gateway for presenting content, and it's where the whiteboard lives. Click share and a window will appear showing different sources you can share. In that window, find the whiteboard option under the Documents area. Depending on your Zoom version, you might see it labeled as Whiteboard or organized under a tab for whiteboards or documents. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling within the share window or switching tabs in that panel. A quick tip, make sure your Zoom app is up to date because the layout and naming can vary across versions. Select New Whiteboard to create a fresh canvas. This opens a clean, infinite workspace where you can draw, type and drop in visual elements. You'll see a toolbar with tools like pen, highlighter, shapes, text, sticky notes, and an eraser. Use the pen or highlighter to sketch ideas, add shapes to organize sections, and insert text for labels or titles. Undo and redo help you experiment without worry, and Zoom controls let you move in and out as your board grows. When you're ready to guide your audience, present